Hi folks, this is Brian with Systemverse coming at you with another Systemverse short. Today we'll be covering some keyboard functions that will save you those extra seconds of having to click around menus or search for general functions that are just a tap away. Copy, paste, cut. 3 functions any person using a computer would need for editing data. We're all familiar with right-click and copy and right-click and paste methods, but did you know that you can do all 3 commands with just a few keystrokes? We also have a keyboard shortcut that serves as a cut function. Cut differs from copy as it removes the selected data. To cut something like a picture or text, we'll simply do Control-X. Now we want to take that information we just copied and paste it to the desired location. To do this, we'll simply click the desired area with our mouse and press Control-V. Mac users will use similar keys, but the Command key is what will be the difference here. For copy, we'll use Command-C. For cut, we'll use Command-X. And finally, for paste, we'll use Command-V. The beauty of this is that even if you're a Windows user or a Mac user, most shortcuts can be substituted by using Control instead of Command on Windows and vice versa on Mac OS. Pretty cool, huh? Now we have undo, redo, and find. It helps to be able to remove something you just done instantly as opposed to having to highlight and right-click. For our Windows users, we'll use Control-Z to undo that change. Want to redo that change, though? Just simply press Control-Y. This is going to do the redo shortcut for Windows and supported applications. Can't find specific keywords in large documents or a web page? Control-F is the Windows command you use to search text in most applications. Can you guess what these commands would be on a Mac operating system? If you guessed Command-Z, Command-Y, or Command-F, then you got it. Now we're needing to go back and reference something on the fly. We don't want to have to click around the taskbar to navigate to a different application or a different tab in a browser. We actually have the ability to cycle through applications using Alt-Tab keys on Windows and Control-Tab if we want to quickly switch through tabs in an application like a web browser. On Mac, we'll use Command-Tab to switch between open programs. For tab switching, we'll actually use the same command as Windows with the Control-Tab shortcut. Lastly, we'll talk about the useful shortcut Control-P. This shortcut allows us for quick access to the print preview window on almost all Windows applications. If you were following along, I'm sure you guessed that Command-P will be the shortcut we'll use on Mac OS. If your business is needing further support, shoot us an email at hello@systemverse.com or give us a call at 512-600-1127. You can also drop by our website, www.systemverse.com. This has been Brian with Systemverse Shorts. See you next time.